Look on the ceiling, guys. You see me and my father do it that way here. Because we tell him, say, so I want it.
There's so much up and down here today. Too much up and down, much we used to rent place and sitting. We're not going back to that. And we're not renting this. I feel one.
What's up, guys? You know what I say? It's your boy Nathan. People are gonna see in the title what me I got do already. So I don't know. People see that hurt me I come from again. Yeah, well dirty and full of concrete and things. You know watch that. You see it? You know say you would have to go there though. Yeah, guys. So when I see the title, I know me I got do a long time. You know see me do a prank, you know people. You see it, but me there. So before we get in the video, I wanna like, share, comment and subscribe. You see me? Make sure you like the video. Guys, it's like something wrong, but me I beg you please check on the bell if you there all, you see me? Because me notice me know say there's some people now get notification or subscribe, you see me? So check on the bell, people. Please me I beg you and look if it there all, you see me? Just check it for you. And if it don't all, you know what to do. Guys, today we room almost finished. Some people, yo, Jano youth. Actually, people, if you don't notice, guys, me and CECE, we're not the best, but we're kind of different. You see me? We're not kind of different. We're different because me tell CECE I'm a teacher. You see me? I say, be in a care how bad a comment may be or what. Never look on it. Don't reply. You see me? Because hundreds of people bash me when I post one place and I say a food place. You see me? They must say it's not our place. Who with their King and Shea house. First thing King and Shea house are upstairs a board, downstairs a concrete. Look on the house where we there. Oh, this is St. Thomas. We are not with King and Shea anymore, you see me? The house when we did post from last year, people who don't remember. Some don't remember, you see me? But who don't remember can go check out the video, you see me? I post it. Where do me I go through the comments, them all water come and me I told people them a go on like say we can't have nothing for ourselves and them a easy me. But guys, today me go prank CC about our room was soon finished. You see me our place and me go tell her say so when it finish we go rent it. You see me CC I go get cheap because youth I just that in our head to finish the room, you know. So me I tell her say when it done you can rent it and build a boardhouse for yourself. You see me guys? Stay tuned. Remember to press like, subscribe, turn on the bell. So people, see it here. Wipe off the camera so you can see it better. People, see it here people. Door for the hall. You see me? This is a full room for yourself. You see me? Well rendered already. See that smooth and everything. Look on the ceiling, guys. You see me and my father do it that way here. Because we tell him, say, so I want it. You see me? And him deal with it that way here. If you notice that the ceiling here, different. You know, have no style. But our one have, you see me? Notice that one here. No have no style neither. You see me? But full one, you see me, have the style. So guys, basically, I'm going to set up the camera. So guys, I tell you if you just stay tuned. Yeah, people, stay tuned. Like. Kalisha! 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 Come here, don't leave me alone. You care now, babe? You see your room look good? You know look good? Me ask everything no look good, babe. So you know what? Yeah. See, no. You know, I be it, you start with the business, you know, I be it. And here me I say we can, you know, you can fix up your room, okay? You don't have to furnish it, you can just paint it, fix it up and ready to go.
Wow.
What you mean what be? Now the room?
This?
Yeah.
Eh?
That's one like you nonsense, man. What you can't do more with that. And more money we can rent this with $15,000.
50 what?
A month, $20,000 a month.
Nathan,
Room, bathroom, all. Kitchen, there so.
people can't work so hard and we reach so far and you want to come into a room?
So we now go back in there after that.
Tell you what's
We are going there after that, Kalisha. I want to pay Regine. Is that
nobody
way?
not to go in a room before you.
How we night now? And we going? We stand up in there
We
now.
are talk about to leave.
But we are going to live in there, Kalisha.
No. You wait till you left and then you want, if you want to do it, you do it. But not while we are together. No, not in my cabinet, no.
But it be,
No.
this is what me I say.
No.
Think it to go that way. They don't go on like you want. I
Nathan,
want
don't
you.
tell me nothing.
Be with me and
Give me
talk.
a good reason why you don't want to.
More, we not can get that and use the same money we are get for here so to rent somewhere else.
Stop fooling. I want you.
What you mean me a fool, Kalisha? So me can't have one suggestion, brother?
Your suggestion is stupid.
That's why I'm not like talk here. At least you could think me and say me ready to cuss my youth. They have said they are the right thing me I show you. If you call, if you go to a boom and drop this bed, you I say we are going to rent it. Oh, or 20 grand then. We give you 10 and me take 10.
We're not doing that.
We give you 5 and take
We're not doing that. And don't let me tell you if you're going. Me not doing it. Full stop. Me not doing it. It's not renting. Anybody that looks up for rent, go look up where it's rent somewhere else. You're so much up and down here today. So much up and down, much we used to rent place and sitting. We're not going back to that. And we're not renting this. I feel one. Me not renting.
So where I want to for Kalisha? Like people in a war, Bridget.
Yeah, in a war.
Man, just stop your night, man. Because you're going like you're somebody a war, man. You think you're more than do so. Think you're more than rent, Bridget. You think you're rent. Think you're rent. Think of foolishness, me I tell you. More money come in that way there. $20,000 we are getting.
And that's your problem. I thought you were thinking about money. But you see money is the root of all evil and you are the evil, yeah?
Bill, who is the
Stop
evil?
make the evil devil tell you to do one bag.
Me are the evil? Me look like the evil?
Stop make the devil tell
Yeah,
you
man.
to do one bag.
Tell me now. Me I tell her say the room can't rent out. A foolishness that? Oh, we don't can rent it and go on and live somewhere else? Yeah. Ah, you see what me I tell you?
Stop it nice. That man no sense with that phone no sense. Me no want to hear nothing from no. Because it's not
I really think the man knows the real thing. You're sure our money a month time.
Me no business.
Plus other money where we have make. You see me?
Sure.
We don't go build a board house. What are you board them down there, so?
We are get more money than that to offer and offer YouTube, but not renting.
So what to that?
And if you are look renting money for buy
Kalisha, look for all them board. Them board have good board that can make house, you know?
Mr. YouTube will take care of all our business them. It not rent.
You can use them and make house, Bridget. We not want this. Kalisha, wait me and talk. Me not done talk, Bridget. Kalisha, come in my you make you ready thing di. Kalisha. Jaja. I hope it's that video. Hope it's that video. Quite short, man. 7 minutes. B. Kalisha. Kalisha. Man, I talk to you. Make you ready anything now, Regine? What me fi do?
The rental park.
Kalisha. Rent it, man. Stop. You will go all. Alright, tell him for like. Tell him for like. Press like. Tell him. Press the like. Oh, Ari, oh yeah, I get shy. Then remember, you guys remember Ari from last year? She get big now. Yes, people, like, share, comment, and subscribe. It bad, you know bad, it alright. Probably me not post it, cause it lame.
Put some up on my face.
It a rent big.
It's ugly. I know it's ugly because I'm not up with it, so it's ugly.
It a rent, people see that? God not sleep.
Guys, I'm asking one question. Oh, we feel back for so long. We are back, so we come friend. God, walking your body. This is sick. I must walk me walk up and down the road.
Guys, see it here, we're gonna rent the place.
And turn it around, I'm gonna say something. Don't judge the book by cover until you see the inside.
Yeah, you hear that?
That's all I have to say.
Hey, bye bye. Alright, tell them bye.
Bye.